I'm trying to figure out which one make it. I can't say Bob Marley easily, but that's from a musical perspective. But there's also a moral side of things, and my grandmother was that hero for me. Happiest childhood memory was probably Sunday school, Sunday church, what I said with my grandmother. If I was an entertainer, I would probably be, how would I say, probably a teacher. Proudest moment in life would be meeting James Brown. Yeah. Favorite guilty pleasure would be Tutti Frutti with my daughter then. Chronic, Dr. Dre, and Kaya, Bob Marley. And most of my grandmother, our grower granny, always told me that I'm going kind till a fool. Yeah, she said that. You're kind till you're fool. I swim like a brick. Yeah. That I bring smiles. Listen as much Shaggy as possible, right? And make sure you don't have a TV on while it happens.